Ciao guys, today I'm gonna make a very simple and healthy dish. I'm gonna show you my favorite seafood salad. Okay, first of all we clean the prawns. With the shells and with the heads I'm gonna make the nice soup this evening. So I sliced and I cleaned the orange, one orange. I'm gonna add in the shred the fennel. So now we have the clean prawns. I cut the squids as well. We have the fresh pea shoots, fresh oranges, and the base for the salad. Okay, now we are waiting for the boiling water. Let's prepare the dressing. So let's put olive oil, orange juice, peppercorn, a bit of salt, and a touch of cider vinegar, and we whisk. A bit of salt in the boiling water. The water is ready. Let's put the seafood inside and let's cook for a couple of minutes. Let's drain it. Now is the time to mix all together. So let's add the seafood with the salad, the pea shoots and the dressing.